So here's an update on this large gazebo from Yardistry. They sent somebody out to fix the problems that their installer made. And that guy came out 4 times. He's a great guy. He talked to us, communicated everything he was doing with us, and he fixed a lot of things. For example, this is now straight. It doesn't look so great where the screws have been damaged, but at least it's not leaning, and it looks a lot better. There's a lot of old materials, leftover materials, some extra stuff that they got, but it's better. There's still things that aren't great. Big gaps, chips everywhere, marks like this, hammer dents like that. But the most troubling thing, and he told us this just before he left, is that the original installers put this metal plate in upside down, which means that the screws that he got, there's a whole bag of them here. I can't even get into it. Anyway, there's a whole bag of screws there. They will not go in where they're supposed to go in because they hit this metal plate. And so you can see the gap here is really wide from that, from the efforts to do that. And he said that to fix that, they would pretty much have to take the whole thing apart and start over. So he contacted Yardistry, and Yardistry said that they couldn't say whether that would affect the structural integrity. So, is this thing going to fall over on us? Is it going to land on somebody and kill them? I have no idea. Yardistry won't say, and I guess they think they're done. He certainly felt like he was done because he'd already put way too much time into fixing the mistakes of the original installer. You can still see it still looks scraped up everywhere. Like I said, some of the problems have been fixed. You still have big gaps in places. At least it's not leaning anywhere, at least not too bad. And a lot of things have been fixed. But do I trust my family underneath of it? I don't know. If Yardistry isn't willing to say yes, it'll be fine as structural integrity without those screws in it, then how can I trust it? So that's where we're at. $2,000 paid for the install, plus what, 4 or 5 for the gazebo. At this point, I highly recommend that you do not buy this product and do not pay Yardistry to put it together if you make the mistake of buying it. I wish there was another brand the same size on the market, because this is the size we want, but there isn't. And I don't know, I feel like just having Costco come and get it and haul it away, because what do we do now?